So my people, you are welcome to Ron's Kitchen. That is salt and maggi, and this is my crayfish mixed with pepper, and that is my vegetable ubong, and this is my catfish and bomo inside with another fish inside, and this is my water leaf. So today we are making soup, vegetable soup. This is my meat that I've parboiled with my stockfish. As you can see, there's no water inside that pot, so I don't put the water leaf inside this pot. As you can see now, there's water. The water leaf have provide water for me, so now cover it and allow it to steam for some minutes. So the thing has steam and finish. As you can see, I did not put water, but there's water now, and I put my catfish, my bomo, and one other fish, as you can see inside there. So now I have to turn it. You can see everything turning around, see everything turn. Almost see the soup. This kind of soup then they use gole base in husband. So now I come put my maggi inside. I put 3 cubes of maggi inside. No inside that soup. I come add my salt. As you can see the salt, I can't add them, so I can't add another small salt, you understand? I can't put salt inside, then I can't turn them. Okay, now I don't turn and finish. You see, I see there, I can't put oil inside. I've been don't already put some more oil, but I can't add another oil again, so that the soup go the bright vegetable soup to the chop oil. So I can't add another oil, so I can't cover them for it to stir around. You have to leave it to as you can see now. You see soup boy, I don't put water, but see water now. So I come add the vegetable, you can over inside the pot of the water leaf, and I'll turn it. As you can see now, I'm going to turn it here. I don't turn them very well. As you can see, I have to turn it very well. And then come and add my pepper and crayfish that I grind together. I'm adding this one after the vegetable because I want to hear the body odor of the crayfish and the fresh pepper inside. That is how I like it. So I now add another oil inside the vegetable because see now oil don't finish. Vegetable to the chop oil. I can't stir it all bad. Look at the soup now. The soup don't be like passing something where rub bleaching cream. See how the soup all they shine. See everything inside. Anyways, come meet me for this young Sean. Make I bring your own. Can't give you Naron's Kitchen.